Ladies and gentlemen, men and women, boys and girls, this is Muhatsi Jr. I am a CEO and director of TBM. Apart from that, I am a domestic workers activist, locally and internationally. Yesterday, we had a very successful event. We had a date with my people in a very big hotel in Nairobi town. And I am here to appreciate all of you, people who came yesterday, who came through. Mungu awabariki sana, Mungu awatendee mema. To my team, TBM, Team Blue Muhatsi, mine is to say thank you. Asanteni sana from the time we started this organization. It is just this year, January, ndio tulianza this organization. The kind of support that you have given us, it is outstanding. May God bless you so much, my team. May God do you well, even as we end the year. Because ile event tumekuwa nayo jana, that was our end year event. So mine is to appreciate you. Mungu awabariki sana. Mungu awatendee mema. Mungu awafanye mkuwe na afya njema kila wakati. If you are there and you want to join this amazing team, kindly, there is my phone number on my bio. Hiyo si namba ya kupiga simu, juu hata ukipiga simu haitaingia. Wewe tuma message WhatsApp, useme unataka kujoin TBM ama Team Blue Muhatsi. I will give you directives vile utajoin hiyo team, so that wakati ambapo tunaanza mwaka, tunaanza tukiwa pamoja. Otherwise, to my team and everybody who is listening to this video, Mungu awabariki sana, Mungu awatendee mema. Merry Christmas in advance, Happy New Year 2026 in advance. Tukutane mwaka mpya pia tukifanya mambo mengine. Asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki, Mungu awatendee mema.